I'm unwell. Hi, I'm Ariana Madix, and this is Fold Factor with Good Housekeeping. In each round, I will be up against the clock, folding household items as fast as I can. This is not the outfit for folding things. If I don't finish in time, I have to answer some brutally honest questions. Who's the messiest cast member you've ever had to live with? I've never folded a fitted sheet properly, so if there's one of those, I'm very scared. In this first round, I have a bunch of crop tops and I have to fold them just like this one.
Is there an examination?
How did you do this? Oh my god. I am so effed. I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, so it's a tank top. I have no idea what's going on here. Is it like that? And then maybe it's like this first. And then somehow it's like rolled.
You have 30 seconds left.
Oh my god. This is not good for me. Wait. Is this it? Did I do it? Did I do it one? It's really loose.
You can do another one.
Okay, maybe it's something about this like fabric that's messing me up. Oh no, it's got the loops too. This is, I think that's what we're doing here. For a total of 0. I have to answer the question, no? What is the wildest lie a Vanderpump cast member has told about you? Early on, there was something said about me that I had like hooked up in a porta potty at Coachella with someone. Not only is that like a very crowded place to be quote unquote hooking up with somebody, but it smells god awful. So the fact that that lie was told about me is insulting on like many levels.
Who told the lie?
Jax Taylor told the lie, which feels, you know, we all have one of those probably. I have a robe here and I will have to match this fold. You guys, I swear I'm not stupid. This is like, it's tied around. This is, okay. I think I can do it. I feel more determined about this one because I feel like I can kind of understand what's happening.
And if anything's in your way, feel free to push it off the table.
Okay. The arms are in? No, they're behind. They're behind. I've never had to fold. I hang my robes, okay? So that's why this feels crazy. Okay,
20 seconds.
No. Where's the string? Where's the rope? Where's the rope?
You have 5 seconds.
The idea's there. The concept of the fold is there. I mean, look, you can see it's like pretty much the same. Okay. Who's the messiest cast member you've ever had to live with? Honestly, I just think in general, like the guys. I'm someone that when I go on a trip, like I can be messy with clothes. My suitcase might look a mess, but I feel like in general, the guys are just kind of like, you know, they'll make a mess and they're not cleaning. Okay, I have silky PJ sets and I have to fold them just like this one. I thought this was just a shirt. It looks like deceptively easy, right? Yeah, okay. I got this. Oh my god. Okay. I would wear these. I like PJ sets. I'm a big sets person. I think I have to. I like sets. And I like nice PJs.
And remember, the fold has to be exactly the same.
Okay.
Just a reminder.
You scared me. Scared me.
You have 20 seconds left.
Oh my god. Like that? I mean, oh my gosh.
3,
I feel good about it. Like this one especially, but this one doesn't have sleeves either. I got one. Silky PJ sets. I have a spa towel here and I'm gonna need to match this fold. What is this though? This is crazy, you guys. I can't even put it back. I don't even know how to put it back how it was. I think it was like this first.
How many towels do you usually use when you shower?
I use one towel when I shower, unless I wash my hair, then I have 2 towels. Because when I come out, you know, I have like, put my hair in a towel, and then I have a me towel. But then how did it? Can I phone a friend? Ooh. Oh. Jeez.
This is the first step. You gotta do it like that. Once you have that, you fold it down here.
Oh.
Once you have it here, you flip it over.
Why do you know how to do this?
Well, I want to know how to make towels look nice and make it look like a spa. So I literally looked it up. That's what you
All right, thank you. So even though all these towels are beautifully folded, I feel like I'm still gonna have to answer the question. Name one Love Island couple you shipped and one you were skeptical of. One Love Island couple I shipped, literally from night 1, was Serena and Cordell. They had the matching outfits. I could see them vibing. I loved their dynamic. I thought that they were so great for each other. So I shipped them from night 1. I was skeptical of like the Rob Daniela situation because her and Aaron had hit it off. You know, this isn't on Daniela. She's beautiful and amazing, and of course guys are gonna want to talk to her. But you know, Aaron didn't handle that well. But then immediately when Rob and Daniela were a thing, I was skeptical of that because I was like, why? What's happening here? It was short-lived, but yeah. Here I have the dreaded fitted sheet. Let's examine. Seems simple enough. Okay. That looks like it did, right? Let's try it. This is not the outfit for folding things. This is not really my style of sheet, but I'm very much an elder millennial, and shabby chic was kind of, it was a thing for a while with us, or in our era. And this is kind of giving that, and I don't know that I... Wait. It doesn't look as clean, but I think I did it right. Okay, rank these couples from who you'd most to least want to double date with, and tell us why. Kristen Doty and Luke Broderick, Danny and Nia, and Jason and Janet Caperna. So I'll say most is Janet and Jason because I literally have gone on double dates with them. I literally went on an entire vacation to Scotland with Janet and Jason, and I have a lovely time with them. And my boyfriend Dan and Jason are friends, so I feel like that already is like a dynamic that we love and that we feel great about. Second would be Kristen and Luke. I feel like that would be second because I would also like to go on a double date. We just haven't done it yet. And then Danny and Nia, the only reason they're in third place is because I just don't know them as well, but it would still be fun, I'm sure. Fitted sheets, man. Final rapid fire round is a duvet and a duvet cover. I will have to insert the duvet into its cover while also answering a speed round of questions. My face will not be visible for most of this. Okay, where's the open part? Oh, it's buttoned? Oh my God.
What's the messiest room in your house?
The messiest room in my house is my bedroom because I'm gonna lose a nail for sure. It's fine. So I was just packing to come here. So there's like, what am I bringing? What am I not bringing?
What's your one dirty little secret? Do you never make the bed? Is your bathroom a mess?
I always make the bed. I would say is that I have a lot of boxes The sanitation department only takes a certain amount of stuff every week. Here is the corner. And then it takes a long time. Oh, I lost the nail.
Pick one, Bravo or Broadway?
Broadway. Jesus, there's like fuzz all. I'm unwell. Only one. I only lost one. They gotta figure out a better way for people to do this. Don't you think? It's like 2025, you guys. This is good enough. This is nice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch Love Island USA Season 7.